Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Instagram on PC. Let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. You can find it by clicking the Start menu and typing Microsoft Store in the search bar. Once the store opens, go to the search box at the top right corner and type Instagram. From the search results, click on the official Instagram app. Make sure it's the one published by Instagram to avoid fake apps. Next, click the Get or Install button. The download will begin, and it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. When the installation finishes, click Open to launch Instagram on your PC. Now, you'll see the login screen. Enter your username and password, or click Sign Up if you want to create a new account. Once logged in, you can browse your feed, upload photos and videos, send messages, and enjoy Instagram right from your computer. And that's it! You've successfully installed Instagram on your PC. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.